Is your YouTube channel not showing up in search? You can fix this problem with 3 simple methods I'm about to show you. Hey guys, welcome back to Obakhas Geeks. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make YouTube channel searchable, and we're going to start right away. Now, there are so many reasons why your channel is not found in search. So first of all, to find out if your channel is available in search, open an incognito window on your browser, then go to YouTube and search your channel name. If it appears first plus your latest videos, just to know you're okay. YouTube recognizes you. So as you can see, mine here starting from the top is my latest video I have uploaded. Then another section down here is from the popular video I have on my channel. From the look of things, you can see my channel is ranked first, right? So don't be fooled that being ranked on YouTube depends on time you have been on the platform. So the channel can be 1 year old or more and it doesn't even appear in search, but only 1 month old channel can be available in search results. What's the secret behind all this? Now, first of all, it's advisable to choose a unique name that many people don't use at times of creating a YouTube channel. And if you already have a YouTube channel, I'm not saying you should change your name or start afresh. So all you need to do on your channel, you need to go to keyword section, and to do so on a channel homepage, you need to click on your profile icon. Then down here, come and click on YouTube Studio, and you'll be signed into YouTube Creator Studio. Now, the next thing is to go to your left-hand menu, then click on settings down here. Next, on your settings window, select channel on your left, then on your right hand side, under channel keyword, make sure you put your channel name as the first keyword, followed by other keyword related to what you're doing as a creator. So as you can see, Obakhas Geeks is my channel name, and I have put it as the first keyword in this section. So this will help to rank your channel easily, right? So the second way is to go to your about section and update some few things. And to do that, on a channel dashboard, go to your left hand menu and click on customization. Next, click on basic info tab. Then under channel name, we have description. So here you also need to mention your channel name. I made it simple by typing in welcome to Obakhas Geeks after introducing myself. That's the second way you can increase the chances of your channel being ranked first in YouTube search. So the third way and the last one, in every video you upload, in the tag section, you also need to add your channel name. So this will help when the video is ranked, your channel follows in the search result. So this helps a lot in terms of channel growth and getting more views on your YouTube channel. My channel has been able to be ranked first in search results because of these 3 ways which I've shown you. So if you follow them carefully or keenly, you'll be able to rank first in YouTube search. So basically, that's how you can rank first in YouTube. So thank you so much for watching. If you found this video useful, please don't forget to leave a like, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.